inside row, the following row, the 16H of Zachary Hawkins. We got the 105, and I'm going to have to go over them later. Top 6 transfer to the feature. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing, and we're beating and banging from lap 1. The top 6 go to the feature. So back there, oh, we got craziness going on with the 104, 51, 51 all over the track. Josh Zacharias, hang on to it. I didn't even cover the rest of the cars. The 46 is driven by Lisa Drummer, and the 105 is driven by Sean Murphy. I think that's everybody. No, the 12 car, and that's Seth Hansen. That's everybody now. So the battle is between Zacharias and Sawyer. Remember, the top 6 transfer the feature. Everybody else goes home, and Mark Conning just closed the door on the 75 of Hawkins. The 16 of Zachary Hawkins having all kinds of trouble with that 16 car back there. Oh, and oh my God, the 121 of FICO was into Hansen, then it was into Hawkins. Now we're all over. It's going to be Zacharias, followed by the 104 of Sawyer. Here comes the 2 of Justin Tyler. He's going 3 wide. He's squeezing around Zacharias. He's going to the inside. He just did slingshot. It's shake and bake for the 2 of Justin Tyler. Here comes shake and bake. They're making contact. That guy's using that Buick as a weapon out there. Holy cow. As he's hitting him, he says, if you're going to pass me, I'm going to hit you. And the 197 of Douglas Neiswanger is in the middle now. He's not going to be able to finish. So Justin Tyler, our new leader, coming around in that Monte Carlo. Look out. Josh Zacharias, I don't know if everybody's afraid to pass him. It got scared. Whoa, Zacharias right into the back of Hawkins. The 12 went with them. Zacharias gives the 16 a part to kind of hang out there. But the 12, here comes the 12 of Seth Hansen. Hansen on the back of Zacharias. The 104 hanging on to whatever he can. That's Sawyer. Hansen, he's going to try to push the 51 around. We've got a car on the wall. That's a 75 of Justin Hawkins. 75 of Justin Hawkins out there. There's the yellow flag. All right. Wow, that was wild. And it's looking good. Justin Tyler going to pick up speed. Going to bring the field around. Here they come. They're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. We're off to the races. It's Justin Tyler. Whoa, Zacharias to the hard inside of Tyler. Tried to do a swing around him. It didn't work. Here comes the 12 of Seth Hansen. Seth Hansen now moves into second. So Zacharias, that move just didn't work out for him there. Seth Hansen bringing it. Here comes the 104 to get around Zacharias. The 104 of Sawyer. Whoa, 104 a little too high on that Olds Intrigue. Mark Conning, the Elgin's shop teacher, trying to see what's going to happen. Maybe he's going to make a move. But the battle's for 6th. Lisa Drummer coming to challenge away from Pico, or excuse me, from FICO, I should say. I'm just having a hard time with these first new names out here. First night jitters, I suppose. For me, Justin Tyler's going to take the white flag, followed by Hansen. I don't know if Hansen's going to catch him. Zacharias is in third, but I think Conning may get around him. It's looking that way. Let's see if Zacharias can turn the horsepower on and hang on to it. No, Conning may need to do a slingshot. Let's see. No, he's not. Maybe he is. It's going to get crazy here, but Justin Tyler wins. Zacharias for third, Conning for fourth, Drummer for fifth, FICO for sixth. So FICO is going to go to the feature. The top 6 cars are going to the feature. How about that? Man, I like this guy's car. You know, he sent me a screenshot. He gave me a, what did he say, a sneak peek. He called it a sneak peek preview. Just showed me a little part of the car and said, yeah, it looks pretty good. And I will say, a good-looking car. Sponsored by Frisch Signs, Unique Creations, CB Enterprise, Kendall Rose, and Java Mama. I'm guessing that's got to be coffee. All the way from Beloit, Wisconsin, driving a 2004 Monte Carlo. Let's make some noise, Rockford Speedway, as he's getting out of the car. I can't see him anymore. Doggone it. Let's see.